Under this exercise, a wildlife biologist has collected rainfall and temperature data, which is represented in the columns on monthly basis. So, first column is showing months, second column is showing temperature and associating values of standard error, then rainfall and standard error. So I have to create a graph which suits best to these two data sets of temperature and rainfall on monthly basis. So first I'll create a graph. I'm going to insert. Then we'll check out a best default sample of graph from the quick layout. Yes, this one is perfect. It is perfectly showing the given data set. Just need to customize font size from 10 to 12. Blue color bars are showing temperature, orange bars are showing rainfall. I'll give a name to this x-axis. It's months. We can say it reading. Status of rainfall and temperature. Make it bold. Increase font size. We can decrease this, read these lines. So this is one way to make a graph. Now I want to add these values. So once I try to add standard error values, the temperature values, can go to create separate graphs for temperature as well as for rainfall values. Again, we'll go to quick layout, select this by default created sample, customize font size 12, give title months, it is temperature status. As it is a single data set graph, so don't need for this one. In this graph you can see there are two sets of bars, so here we need this um, legend which is showing orange one is data belonging to rainfall, blue one is the temperature data, but in this case as we are showing here a single data set, we don't need legend over here. So we have customized to increase the font size, add the standard error values to chart tool, add chart element and error bars. From here error bars, as you can see here directions both minus plus whatever, is still it is by default created error bars, but we need to customize as we have given values specified. For positive and negative, we have same values. Okay, now you can notice. And repeat the same process. Chart tool, add element error bars, more error bars, custom, specify. Okay, so we have created a temperature data graph, bar graph associating with error bars. Similar order, we can create a bar graph, pick up a sample from the quick layout, customize font size, if I have deleted that legend value, you are knowing that. Now give a title, months, status, title bold, delete these values, you can delete these lines from also here. Chart tool, error bars, more error bars, custom, specify values as I have specified values for this rainfall data set, plus values and minus values are same for us. So here we have. Okay, that's it.